Menteri Nongbah Jelau Konrad Konggal Sangma Uloong baka jingja Shah Lute jongki artli ke petrol pump kablaja Haka Nongbah Shillong Haka mir jongka singi sajan omdai ban penya soalang barka jingbam don ka sungsuk songsngan Haka Jela habai kran ba kilat pathai khubor nakaliang jong Menteri Nongbah Jela Uloong baka jingja Shah Lute ki juja hamanla ki Jela Haka rihi barok away handrai ban penya so kumkini ki jingja baka sungsuk songsngan kam ya hap satya Menteri Nongbah Uloong bakum kini ki jingja kadai ka kamram jong ka sorkar bante Lakam mi kini henrei ki kam sni ki juja bar ka sorkar ka juele ban penduna ya kani henrei umla ban kier ya kum kini ki kam sniu bakinja haman ki Nongbah kisnong dei na kane ka daw baka don ka ain Menteri Nongbah ulaya thuru bahalor ki jingsha Lute ka jingtok ket kadangya shakhman hakaba kum kini ki jingja kimdei shu banja Habakali baki beri ki balute ye ki pom kira da ke AK-47 Menteri Nongbah Uloong bakamdai ka basuk banyo ya ke AK-47 rifle baka jingto ket halor kane ka benta kadang ya shakhman Habakali halor ka jingdon ketilang ki sangkai khlau hakum kini ki jingja Menteri Nongbah Uloong ba ompat yo e ka kaipot ka bapura halor kane ka benta bat ompat nang banong EA Menteri Nongbah Ula penrap ru baka dei ka kamram ki pulet ban pekngor ya kum kini ki kam pentrim Haka Jela hanrei na ka sorkar kanyele ban Pynbiang ya ki Cctv surveillance haman laki kentoy jong Nongbah.
So what I was telling the earlier press who had met me that incidents happen. It's not that incidents don't happen. There are robbery incidents that take place in different parts of the state. There are other incidents that take place all over. So, this tendency to link an incident with the law and order situation in the state is unfair. And one has to realize that, yes, everything should be done to ensure that no incident takes place. But that's the nature of things, and the crimes do happen. And government always works towards ensuring that they're minimized, but one cannot avoid certain crimes taking place. So they are happening, and it should not happen, and we will do our best to try and ensure that none of it happens. But as I said, that in any society, for the matter of fact, anywhere, any other state also, any country also, crimes do take place, and that's the reason why there is a system, and enforcement is there. So therefore, yes, we will do whatever we can, but I just feel that connecting this to general aspect that there is a law and order situation would be completely unfair. Of course, the police will be more vigilant about these aspects, but there's cash available there, so maybe they intended to take that. But then that's the nature of all shops, or every shop will have cash. So therefore, there will not be a specific plan or program that's per se for, say, all petrol pumps, because then we'll have to obviously look at all those other businesses also. But in general, of course, we will strengthen the overall surveillance and ensure that proper action is taken against, especially those people who are involved in this. It's a robbery, so we are investigating what's the side of it. But as I said, these kind of robberies should not happen, but yes, they sometimes do happen.
They were carrying AK-47 rifles. Is it so easy to get AK rifles?
No, it's not at all easy to get. So therefore, as I said, investigation is on. So once I get the reports, we will give back details of the investigation results.
Yes, Excellency, role is there.
As of now, the report has not come to me, so it will be inappropriate for me to give a response to that without getting the detailed report.